Oh.
Hi, this is Salman. I live in Canada. I've been living in Canada since last 2-3 years. I came back for a marriage ceremony of my cousin. So I got a neck stiff since last 15-20 days, and I have been having a stiffing problem. So I just came to know about Dr. Manish about this uh, uh,
Adjustment.
adjustment, and I came to visit him today. And after getting the first session, I got complete relief, and I'm looking forward to have 2-3 more sessions, so I will get the complete outcover from this issue. So I'm having a very good experience with him. Thank you.